guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. To people who are new here, myself Nisha, I am 16 years old, content creator. So in today's video, I'm gonna be recreating this look. So if you guys don't know who she is, this is Ananya Babu. She has this Instagram feed where you can find 10 to 12 city themed looks. She had this series going on lately, which inspired me a lot, and that is the reason why I'm doing this today. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be recreating this Taj Mahal look. Let's hope for best. I guess this video is gonna be fun, and without any further ado, let's get started. For creating this look, I'm gonna be using this Reloaded palette and Birds of Paradise palette from Makeup Revolution. For one side of my forehead, to create a night theme, I'm using this dark blue shade and I'm blending it well. For the other side, I'm mixing this orange and yellow to get a sunset theme. After building it up, I'm using this purple shade called Adventure to create a transition effect in the upper forehead. And I'm blending it well with the blue such that it doesn't look odd. Now that I'm almost done with the background, I'm stepping on to drawing the Taj Mahal using this concealer from Insight in the shade Honey. I'm using a thin painting brush to draw the outline. I'm also doing it very carefully such that it doesn't end up in disaster. If you guys are doing it for the first time, please do have a reference image while drawing the outline. So now I'm completely done with the base. I'm gonna let it dry for a few minutes. Since the base has totally dried up, I'm using this white shade called Coquette and I'm gonna fill in the Taj Mahal. I'm building it up until I get satisfied. I'm using this black eyeshadow to define the Taj Mahal, which also gives an illusion effect to it. I'm using an angular brush to outline it. I'm doing it slowly, guys, cause I don't want to mess it up at this point. I'm using an Insta liner from Lakme to outline the Taj Mahal. Do it slow and steady cause the eyeliner might mess up the whole look.
A few moments later.
After trying to fix the pillar, now I've started to draw the clouds and front water space with the same concealer. Using this blue shade called Macaw, I'm filling in the front water area and I'm also filling the clouds with white eyeshadow. Now that we are completely done with the Taj Mahal, let's move on to the rest of the face. I'm using this Fit Me concealer to conceal my eyes and I'm blending it well using a beauty blender. I'm using this sugar setting powder to set my concealer. For my eyes, I'm going on with this Eyes on Me palette from Nykaa. I'm keeping it very low cause I want the whole attention to be on the Taj Mahal. For my lips, I'm using this matte liquid lipstick from Nykaa in the nude shade Chai. And I'm using this Glow Goals palette from Nykaa to highlight the high points of my face. love you guys because thank you for watching this video, and if you guys have any suggestion on this video, please feel free to comment it down such that I can improve myself. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon if you don't want to miss my videos. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah guys, that's all for today. Bye bye guys.